How to fix Disney app error code 142. First, fully close Disney. Don't just minimize it, so force close the app, delete it from the history, and then open it again, see if it works. If it still doesn't work, restart your device. Turn the TV, phone, console, or streaming box completely off, then turn it back on, and then try Disney Plus again. Third is restart your router. Unplug your modem or router, wait about 30 seconds, plug it back in, and then wait until the internet is back, and then try Disney again. Fourth, test another app. So open either YouTube, Netflix, or Instagram, or whatever just to see your connection. If those are also struggling, it's probably your internet rather than Disney. Fifth is update Disney Plus. So go to the App Store or Play Store, whatever you're using, and type in Disney, tap on it. Here you'll either see an open option or an update option. Update it if you see the update option. The other thing that you can do is clear Disney Plus cache and data. Now, this is possible on Android, it's not however possible on iPhone. For the iPhone, you're gonna need to proceed to the 7th step, and that is deinstall the app and then install it again. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.